For as long as I live and as long as I love, I will never not think about you.
What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kia. In today's video, I will be sharing you the quick and fresh makeup look, and I'm giving you also a tips kung paano ma-achieve yung mga pretty and fresh look na, you know, pang madalian lang. So, yung dadaan na tricycle. Thanks so much. And kung paano ma-achieve yung mga fresh and makeup look like this, I hope so. I don't know if it makes sense. So without further ado guys, and if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. I have 3 tips na i-share sa inyo kung paano ma-achieve yung pagiging fresh. And first of all, you should have enough sleep. Of course, importante sa atin na makatulog tayo ng almost 8 hours or 8 to 12 hours. No, it's only 8. It's only 8. You know, yung flow ng ating body is nagfa-function ng maayos. And meron siyang mga benefits kung bakit kailangan natin makalikom, or makatulog. Yung span ba ng tulog, yung 8 hours na yun, tulog. So, may mga benefits kapag nakatulog tayo ng 8 hours a day, and this is to decrease risk for health condition, manage your hunger levels, maintain our immune system, and retain memory. So, guys, sino ba naman hindi gusto ma-achieve yung mga yun, di ba, na, you know, yung live pa din tayo. Tip number 2 is to drink 8 glasses of water every day. So, to be honest, hindi ako nakakainom ng 8 hours. Ba't nasa 8 hours pa din tayo? Mukhang halatang kulang ako sa tulog. Bakit ganun? So, going back, it should be 8 glasses of water a day. So, to be honest, hindi ako nakakainom ng 8 glasses of water a day. Kasi, ewan ko, bakit nga ba? Andiyan lang naman yung tubig namin. Hindi ako makainom-inom. So, yun na nga. So, we have also benefits kapag umiinom tayo ng 8 glasses of water a day. It keeps your mind sharp, moisturizes skin, prevents headache, decreases muscle cramps, removes toxins, boosts immune function, supports healthy weight, and improves digestion. So, nakakatulong siya sa ating body para malabas yung mga toxins daw and to be more natural yung ng skin, you know what I mean, guys. I hope naiintindihan niyo naman, diba? So, tip number 3, it should be you have to what do you call this? Surround yourself with a positive vibes. Of course, you need an outcome to be a more positive. And again, to be honest, I'm not a positive person. I admit na more on negative side yung mga naiisip ko, but then I changed my mind. I changed my mind na maging more positive kasi kapag sabi nga nila, when you have a positive thinking or positive vibes, mas pumapasok yung more on positive sa'yo and wala nang space para sa negativity. So, yun. Ewan ko bakit gusto kong maging positive lately and na-achieve ko siya, I think, mga September. So, for my 22 years of existence, nung September ko lang siya na-achieve. Yung pagka-22 ko, doon ko lang naisip na maging positive na ako. So, hindi. I mean, nung naging positive ako, to be honest, is mas maraming pumapasok na positive sa akin, mas maraming pumapasok na good news. Yung iba yung feeling kapag na-reflect siya ng another positive. So, maganda lang sa outcome. So, mas nagiging maganda yung future, yung imagination, yung akahaba ng explanation mo, ate girl. And being positive thinking attracts all goods and positive vibes towards you. Like what I said earlier, the more positive you think, the more positive na yung pumapasok sa'yo and the good news and whatsoever. So I have 5 here to explain why we should be think more positive. So first is the happiness. A positive attitude awakens happiness. So next is motivation. Thinking positively will help you accomplish dreams and goals. Totoo naman, kapag positive yung pag-iisip mo, positive na may isip mo na ma-achieve mo, ma-accomplish mo, makukuha mo yung goals mo and everything, and ang daldal ko na, diba? Number 3, guys, is self-esteem. Your attitude and the way you think have much to do on how you feel about yourself. Of course, like me, hindi ako ganun ka-positive person, so I don't have a self-confidence, self-esteem, guts, wala akong lahat niyan. As in, mas binababa ko yung sarili ko kaysa sa mas inaangat ko yung sarili ko. Do you know what I mean, guys? Yung mas na-appreciate ko yung ibang tao kaysa sa sarili ko. I mean, hindi ko na-appreciate yung sarili ko. Ewan ko, ba't ganun ako? Ewan ko din. So number 4, guys, is better health. People who think positively are usually more energetic and healthy. The mind has a strong effect on the body and on health. So, ewan ko nga, diba? Lately, sinabi ko na more positive na ako, kaya siguro mas nagiging lively or mas nagiging energetic ako kahit hindi ako makain ng chocolates. So, the last one, guys, is improves relation. Positive people bringing joy, happiness, and uplifting energy and are fun to be around. So, ewan ko, hindi man ako ganun ka-positive vibes, pero sabi nila masaya daw ako kasama. Pero hindi ko nararamdaman yun. Ewan ko. Normal naman akong tao. Feeling ko, pero sabi nila abnormal daw ako. Pero hindi ko na iniisipin. Kasi nga positive lang tayo dito. Positive. So, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope meron kayo natutunan kahit paano sa video dito. So, if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button and also the teeny tiny bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I posted a new video. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video or see you around. Till next time. Bye!